Another thing that I've been thinking about. Is there ever a time while you're deep into the process of writing a song in your home studio and everything is going along great? The lyrics are flowing, the chord changes are engaging and interesting without coming off as pretentious or confusing or cringe-inducing to the point of agonizing self-reflection. And also, the melody is easy enough to follow and doesn't sound like a regurgitated copy, stolen from an artist much more talented than yourself. So, confidently, you decide to move on to the production side of things because, of course, the more pressing issue at hand is to mess around with new sounds and arrangement ideas. However, after hours spent noodling on the guitar, finicking around with effects pedals and plugins, sample libraries, just generally rolling around in your own gluttonous filth of sonic indulgence, strangely enough, awestruck, you found that you've lost your creative momentum. And to make matters worse, now you're second-guessing yourself in regards to the progress that you did make earlier in the writing stage. And so you chalk this all up to another half-baked, bungling, and unfinished idea that your dim miniature skull had the arrogance to toil with in the first place. What's the deal with that? Welcome back. You found Fritz. So what my friend Jerry was getting at is that it might be a good idea to make sure that a song is able to maintain its momentum from the start to the finish with just a vocal and its main accompanying instrument playing, before moving on to other things that can potentially cloud the writing process. This is one of the issues that we'll focus on in this installment of the Fritz Como Creative Series. Today's video marks the first part in the second installment of this series, in which we break down the creative and technical processes that goes into making new, original music, focusing on walkthroughs and breakdowns in order to help the budding musician, engineer, do-it-yourselfer, producer, or at least entertain those who already have knowledge in these areas with another take on musical creation. So the next two videos in this series will be an acoustic performance with just a guitar and a vocal, followed by a lyric video for the full production. Then, over the next few weeks, we'll continue as normal and upload videos which will break down the writing process for each specific instrument, the arrangement at large, and the engineering aspects which helped establish the atmosphere of the song. And one last note before we begin, I'd like to ask that if you take away anything useful from this video, then please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more stuff. On top of that, I do have affiliate links in the description below that will bring you to any of the products that I discuss in these videos if you'd like to help this very small, one-person operation grow. Thank you very much, and let's jump into the series.